that Stella chirping? That's hilarious.
Okay, Stella, you're gonna get in trouble.
Stella!
Stella, no barking.
Stella!
Did you get a new phone, Sarah?
No, it's just a new Mophie. Because I fried my other one.
Yeah, I think Andre's died too, and much sooner than I would have anticipated.
It got condensation in it.
Yeah?
Because it was in my bag and I had a container that was sweating a bit.
Yeah. Well, and him being a boy, God knows what happens with his phone.
That's Stella.
Stella's like, I finally some of my size.
That's so funny. Nipping her in the bum.
Tell the French one to be quiet.
Yeah, she's a little lippy today.
Hey!
Chew the dog. Ow! She's like, cold. Ooh, another dog.
Oh, she bit her bum.
Too bad back there.
She says, I don't have a tail. You feel really ground.
Stella.
And she throws her bum out like Haggis does.
I learned that trick from my big brother.
What's this chewy weigh?
5 pounds.
Oh well. Stella's got double on her. That's a butt turn. She's got nothing on her butt you can grab. It's all too round.
You should have seen. She did a sideways
latest
plant and it looked like she was stuck with her feet wiggling in the air.
Taking after the Kardashians.
I don't get that. I don't watch the Kardashians. Oh, the butt thing?
The butt thing. It is really interesting how they pair off.